Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I'm going to show you ways you may earn $10,000 in keeping with month on YouTube with 0 subscribers. So in case you want to look step by means of step tutorial, ensure to watch this video to lend due to the fact I am going to show you guys precisely how to do it, and I am also going to reveal you a number of the examples. So earlier than we leap immediately into this technique, ensure to press that subscribe button because we release each day motion pictures on this channel, the way to make cash online, how to make money with YouTube, so you don't need to overlook that upcoming fresh new methods. So step 1 is I would create a sparkling new YouTube channel. So this is honestly essential because you do not want any distractions to your YouTube channel in case you already have one, so that you don't want any distractions. Maybe if you have some subscribers and perspectives right here and there, you can use your own YouTube channel, but I would start sparkling. So before we begin monetizing our films, you already know which you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to run advertisements to your videos. So this is how we are going to make cash from YouTube with this method, and it's miles going to be certainly smooth to attain these 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. It's far not clearly that huge of a deal. So step 2 is we need to locate trending topics. So we need to comply with some developments, and this is virtually smooth to find in any niche out there. That if you're interested by fitness, you may locate a lot of education subjects in fitness. In case you are interested in you may find loads of a number of topics around music you could locate, or essentially anything out there you can do. You may do a video approximately in trending subjects. So with schooling subjects, those are the videos that get a number of views. So basically this is definitely clean, and a variety of you guys already know what is a fashion motion picture. So the videos that get a whole lot of perspectives, you need to do a video approximately them. So I am going to show you guys how you may do it. Step 3 is create a video around schooling video on YouTube. So that is without a doubt clean going. This is going to be in reality easy due to the fact loads of you men already saw some movies around trending subjects, and I'm going to expose you guys 3 examples that I will think of. So first instance is reaction of the training video. Plenty of you guys already saw this way of creating films. So basically you're going to offer your personal reaction of, let's assume, song video or maybe a few combating occasion. I am also going to reveal you a number of the examples. So response motion pictures are not something that you haven't seen on YouTube. Second way is deliver your opinion and thoughts around that mountain climbing subject matter. So shall we embrace someone misplaced 1,000 kilos and were given 10 million perspectives in 3 days, which have came about already. So you can deliver your own opinion around that, how he can lost 100 pounds in a few, shall we say 20 days or something like that. It doesn't surely depend. So you can provide your very own opinion on that, or if someone is dropping a new song, so you may deliver your opinions around that music. And I'm additionally going to reveal you guys exactly a way to do it with examples. And the 1/3 ways, in reality the toughest manner, I suppose, that is virtually the hardest way, which I'm additionally going to reveal you how you can create your personal model of the schooling subject matter. That's without a doubt tough. I suppose that is actually difficult, and I would stick with the real reaction movies of education motion pictures and giving your critiques and thoughts around trending topics. So those are the 2 that I can stay with. However, you could create your own version, but you really want to be, you actually need to be creative for this 1/3 way. Step 4 is touch upon education videos. So this is surely vital, and earlier than we jump on commenting on training movies, I need to show you guys a number of the examples. Some of the examples that I'm speaking approximately. So the video that I have used to reveal you guys is, let's consider Eminem Dropped a new diss song on Gadget Gun Kelly, so loads of humans are exciting and drama, so essentially this rap red meat is, get this, video were given 48 million perspectives and sooner or later, so this is something crazy. He is getting greater than 2 million perspectives per hour. That's surely crazy, guys, so you need to do a video round. You may give some reviews around this diss track of Eminem's, and you could see Gadget Gun Kelly has 484 million perspectives in 7 days, which is also truly loopy. So if you'll give your personal evaluations who received on the district who's higher, or you may do response of these two districts, otherwise you could perhaps you may even some of the fan created his personal district. That's definitely loopy, and he has got around 10 million views in like 3 days. I am also going to expose you men that later, but this is truly the hardest part. You do not need to create your very own movies due to the fact that is in reality difficult, because you want to be simply innovative for that. But as I stated, you could do a response of the films, or you may give your very own reviews, shall we say Machine Gun Kelly versus Eminem who, or something like that, and you could get a lot of perspectives. Approximately you could get a whole lot of views, because humans are already looking around this area, and we cannot endorse it right here, and after you get recommended here in this endorsed bar, you are going to get tons and heaps and tons of viewers. This passed off in the beyond to me. Sometimes were given like 1 million views in days. That is sincerely crazy. And on this discipline proper right here, I've saw plenty of people beginning with 0 subscribers, and they have reached 1 or 2 million perspectives in a single day, which is definitely crazy. As I said, so they got a 110,000 subscribers in 2 days, which is without a doubt loopy. However, you do not need that quantity of perspectives to make 100,000 bucks. You need to get, let's consider 100 views in an afternoon or something like that, and that is truly not possible. A number of you guys are going to think that it is absolutely difficult. So subsequent aspect we want to do is we need to comment on training films. That is genuinely critical, and I am going to show you guys what I did. So right here you can see I have a comment 3 hours ago. I feel like I have carried out this just to expose you guys how you could do it, so that you can see fireplace 5 hours ago. I were given 805 likes on my comment, and 3 hours ago I have got 1,000 plus likes on my remarks. So what does this mean for our YouTube channel? Loads of human beings are going to click on your video on your channel, and in case you say let's examine right here, you can provide your very own opinion approximately the video. You may also say here you can find out my response on this diss track or my critiques in this district. And this is an instance what number of perspectives you may get just from this comment. So if I were given 1,000 likes in this remark, which means as a minimum 100 human beings noticed this remark, which is clearly crazy. Loads of human beings perhaps clicked this, like lots of human beings perhaps clicked like. However, on the quote I have 1,000 and 1,000 plus likes, it would not really count. So that is how you can get a variety of perspectives from this manner. And shall we embrace device? Gun Kelly responds again to Eminem. You could create a new video, after which a mini reaction. You can create again a new video, and after that you could create some video who won or something like that. Right here you can see I've carried out that on. Additionally, this video just to reveal you guys an instance. So here you can see 400 lights for nearly 500 lights. So that is actually not that difficult, due to the fact a variety of human beings are coming to this video, and they may be searching for comments, and if you supply some quality remark approximately the writer of the video or something like that, you are going to get numerous likes. That is not without a doubt something which you have not visible. So next factor we want to do is what I suggest with the aid of commenting. As I stated, you need to guide the author of the video, and that is the manner to get a lot of likes to your remark. And again, I have proven you guys for my 4 remarks in that I suppose I made 5 comments, 1 comment failed to attain any likes. However, from 5 remarks I have got 4 remarks with a lot of likes. And what you need to do in that comment again, you want to ask human beings to check your video in your YouTube channel. So this is how you're going to enhance your video, and after you get a number of the perspectives you'll get is this endorsed bar proper here. When you get in this advocated bar, you are going to get heaps and lots of perspectives. That is how you will grow your YouTube channel, and you will get subscribers, perspectives, the entirety, likes. And after you create that channel, you will keep getting subscribers, and you are going to create a few network of the human beings which might be going to observe your films, and it's miles. Surely it is truly good way to create your YouTube channel and your personal community so uncommon. You are going to earn $2 in line with the house of views, so your CPM is going to be $2. So what does this imply? Meaning that from 1,000 views you will earn $2, and from 1 million views you are going to make $2,000. So this is how you're going to develop your YouTube channel. And what I would do, I would use this case that I've simply shown you guys. I would shall we say response. I would go and search for a number of the examples. You may see there are a variety of human beings already reacting to the video, and it's far truly crazy. That is in reality the clean manner to do to get quite a few views. And also an example is a KSI versus Logan Paul. So a lot of you guys already realize that they were given a number of this. Is this become a lot? This is virtually big trending subject matter inside the past. So loads of people are going to keep making films around KSI versus Logan Paul fight due to the fact this is how we're going to get perspectives. So quite a few humans created and reached a few. You could see this guy has 12 million perspectives, and he got maybe half of his subscribers just from that video, because that was trending subject matter. You can see he's getting around 200 viewers. However, as soon as he says KSI versus, while he creates a video about this event and he offers his personal opinion, he is going to get million views. Here you can see 7 million views. Here you could additionally see 12 million views. So it's far all about creating videos around trending topics, which is truly critical for us. So on the end, what is the maximum important component? It's far to uphold continuously. So you don't want to upload one video, earn $2,000, give up. You do not want to do that. You want to add videos. You need to discover more trending subjects, add greater extra films about that trending topic. Due to the fact once you need to prevent importing your videos, you will lose all your visitors, and you're not going to earn money as an awful lot. So I am going to expose you men an example of the channel. This is typical reaction channel. So he is largely doing response movies, for he is essentially doing response films for a track or rap videos. So you can see this man has nearly 2,800,000 subscribers. That is truly crazy. So essentially all he does is he do a response of the tune films. He offers his personal opinion, and this is how he is making his cash, and he's essentially making hundreds of thousands of dollars just from this channel. He's getting sponsors and a lot more, so he's creating a tens of millions of dollars from this channel. Is it definitely possible for you to reach this? Yes, it is possible, but it's far going to be in reality hard. And as I said, you want to begin from someplace. You need to reach as soon as you create your YouTube channel, and as soon as